Credit repair services claim to improve your credit score by removing negative items from your credit report. However, the effectiveness of credit repair services is a subject of debate among experts. Credit reporting agencies are required by law to provide accurate information about your credit history, and negative items such as missed payments, defaults, and bankruptcies can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. In some cases, credit repair services may dispute these negative items on your behalf, and if they can prove that the information is inaccurate, the item may be removed from your credit report, which could improve your score. However, it's important to note that credit repair services cannot remove accurate negative information from your credit report. They also cannot guarantee that your credit score will improve, and they may charge high fees for their services. If you're considering using a credit repair service, it's important to do your research and carefully evaluate the company before signing up. You can also take steps to improve your credit score on your own, such as paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and monitoring your credit report for errors.